Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Shearline Milling Machine DRO install thought exercise 3 or 4. You see here? Oh, come on, you. Okay, you see how I have this here? I've got these two plastic spacers to hold the sensor off of the side of the table. I've got these two washers here to hold this end parallel. I have a spacer down in here to hold it above the slide, above this part here. Now I'm going to have to make a part to bolt on here that this can bolt to. And of course this end will be connected here, making this bracket superfluous. Ta-da! How to mount a 12-inch DRO on a Shearline mill. Hello, we're back. This is Shearline DRO install thought exercise for beta. Okay, you see, I took this end bracket that holds the beam off, and I put one of the regular angle brackets here. All I have to do is make a little plate, bolt it here, bolt that there, bang, done. Hi, welcome to Poppy's workshop. You want to look at this? Well, you were curious.
Yes, I was.
No touchy. No touchy. It's just sit.
Look is with your eyes, not your hands.
Yes. Okay. The sensor here will be bolted firmly.
Okay.
And this end a plate. Boom. As that goes, the beam goes. The sensor reads the bumps on the beam. They're magnetic. The cable sends it to the readout. I showed you that.
Okay, you still have the piece I bought you for Christmas for almost $200 that went to your lathe?
The compound.
Yeah.
It's in the shop.
Sliding compound, that was it.
Yeah. The
compound slide.
Compound slide.
Yeah. This is neat.
Yeah.
Boy, my old man is smart. He has to be to figure this thing out.
Yeah.
Well, I shall let him go explain to you what he's doing. Get out of his hair.
Anyways, I was saying, I took this end bracket off the beam, put that angle bracket that came with the kit. Perfect. This end bracket is going to be superfluous. I'll keep it in case I want to move this DRO to another machine. I have to either make a little spacer, or probably better get a nice piece of angle and drill, bolt, bada bing, bada boom. Anyway, Shearline Milling Machine 12-inch DRO install thought exercise for beta.